Hello and welcome to MacREFUGEE. What is a MacREFUGEE? I am a MacREFUGEE. I'm a longtime Mac user who's making the move to Windows. And just to substantiate this longtime Mac user, I'm talking about the Mac Plus days. I came from Atari ST, went to Mac, and I've been using it since the 80s. And it's helped me pay my mortgage and do all these wonderful things and get a great job. I work for a huge software company as a senior solutions consultant, but it's not Microsoft. So I've been around enough to read every single book there is on Steve Jobs and even every book there is on Bill Gates and the whole conspiracy thing on Bill Gates and Windows and all that stuff, and even tried to learn to program C on my Mac. So I've been around the block. That's what I'm trying to tell you. I was a retoucher for years in the industry and a big Photoshop user, Premiere Pro, After Effects, all of that stuff. So why did I leave the Mac if everything was so great? Well, first of all, I'm not trying to switch anyone. If you're a happy Mac user, great. I wasn't. And the reason I wasn't was because I wanted big, powerful computers with options. I wanted the options that I want. I wanted to be able to put the graphics card that I want in a really powerful workstation. I want a big laptop, a 17. The last MacBook Pro I had was a 15-inch Retina. There were no more 17-inch. Let me ask you this. Have you ever bought a big screen TV? And when you bought that big screen TV, did you buy the biggest one you could afford? I did. What about a display on your desktop? Did that also, you had a big one there too? That's what I wanted. So why is it that when you get a big screen TV or a big display, big is good, and all of a sudden on a laptop it isn't? How is a 17-inch laptop okay one day and then suddenly out of fashion? I need the room and physical size of a 17-inch. Now, before you go and tell me Retina has got this amazing, cool resolution, blah, 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 I'm not talking about resolution BS. I'm talking about the physical size of pages is smaller on a 15 than it is on a 17. So I have to ask myself, am I willing to have every single thing smaller? No. Look, I carried a MacBook Pro for years, a big, heavy desktop. I'm a big boy. I can carry that around. I want to carry a big, beautiful laptop now. Because when I'm doing video and visual effects and I'm on the road, I want the same kind of comfort that I have when I'm at my desktop. So that's really what this is. This is my journey, openly, honestly, and without corporate interference. This is just me doing this. Look, I'm your guinea pig. If you really want to find out if a dyed-in-the-wool Mac-tard can make it and be happy in Windows, I'm your guy. Watch me. Let me make the mistakes. I'm going to show you all the little tweaks I make to Windows to make it easier, all the little extra utilities that I drop in there to make you more productive, and then we're really going to get deep into the hardware. I'm serious about fast, big-ass hardware, powerful stuff where I can have options to put in the graphics card that I want, not the graphics card that Apple says you want. If I want a Quadro 6000 in there, then I'm going to use it. If I want 2 cards in there, I want to use it. I want a power supply with a computer that will do this. So, there you go. That's what MacREFUGEE is about. It's my journey. And if you have any questions or you want to challenge any of my claims, then let's start a dialogue. Leave a comment and we'll dig in a little bit further. So if you want to find out if a Mac user can be happy, that's what I'm here for, and that's what this video blog is about. Okay? Great. So before I go, I don't have footage of me with my original Mac Plus, my 8100-100, my 8100-600 that caught on fire, and the many other Macs that I've had over the years. But here's just a little short history of some of the cool stuff I've owned.